There's a 3-0. And a swinging bouncer, third base. Beltre has it. And the inning is done.
The payoff pitch. Got him swinging, and the Rangers hang on to snatch one on the road. Bartolo Colon set the tone with 7 perfect innings. The Texas lineup scratches out a pair of runs against the Houston bullpen in the 10th, and Jake Diekman holds off with the tying runs on base to preserve the win. Silver Boot Series off to a flying start. The Rangers take 2 out of 3 on the road.
And he struck him out swinging.
What a comeback after the 4-pitch walk to Ichiro.
Back-to-back strikeouts for Jake Diekman. And he leaves him loaded. 0-2. Got him swinging. Inning is over. Back-to-back punch-outs by Jake Diekman.
Great job by Jake Diekman. Comes in second and third, facing the tough Victor Martinez, strikes him out. And Jacoby Jones, with a couple of hits in the game, gets him 2 to end the inning.
Diekman's 2-2 and a swing and a miss. Strike 3. Gets 2 strikeouts in the outing and sends us to the 9th.
There's a 1-2, and this one is lifted high, but right at Elvis Andrews at short, but it's going to be, it's going to be Elvis Andrews, and they did it once again. You never know who's going to catch a pop-up between those two. Nice job by Jake Diekman, and the Rangers are able to hold on.
Here they go. And a swing and a miss. Strike 3, but the ball gets away. Kiner Falefa with a throw to first, and the inning is done. Well, some excitement for Jake Diekman.